What it do, baby? So welcome back to Cashin TV. I'm Cashin, of course, and today's video is going to be customer feedback. So you know, when you have a business, you want to always know what your customers are thinking, what they're expecting, what they like, what they don't like, all those good things. So every now and then I ask, like, my friends are like my customers, so I ask some of my friends questions. I ask customers I don't know questions. I send out emails, you know, getting feedback. I send out polls on Instagram and on emails. And I also ask questions in the close friends that we have with Girls from Venus. The Girls from Planet Venus Close Friends is an exclusive VIP experience, honey. You get the first looks at all the stuff. You get polls, you get coupons, everything. I'm gonna run down some customer questions for y'all, like that I asked my customers a while ago, and then I'm gonna give you guys what I got from the feedback and why the feedback I feel like is important. So these questions are questions I asked a couple of months ago, right before the Rona started, honestly. And it's basically just asking them about, like, spring, what makes them buy items, what doesn't make them buy items, and what Girls from Planet Venus can improve on. So the first question was, what is your go-to spring outfit? Most of them said, like, a denim jacket, a graphic tee, crop jacket, crop jeans, crop top, some slides, whatever kind of shoes, sundresses, rompers, platforms, and a skirt. That's my favorite answer. That's what I like to wear. Crop top jeans, sneakers, or shorts, hoodie, and sneakers. All things that I like. So I asked them that because that helps me figure out what exactly I want to make for the spring summer, because what do they wear? Granted, I probably won't make a romper or a sundress, but a crop top, a crop jacket, a cute dress, something you can wear with jeans, something you can wear for, like, you know, a cute skirt, something that I'm thinking about making now because I know that's what my customers wear. Boom. Girls from Venus, we have, like, a lot of followers. We have repeated customers, and then we have, like, customers who never check out. Like, their abandoned cart just sits there and sits there and sits there. And I'm like, okay, buy it, please. Like, what's making you not buy this? You get what I'm saying? So I asked them, like, what's a deal breaker in not purchasing an item? They said a dumb symbol or phrase, cheap material if the price doesn't match the number of times I can wear it, and that's a big thing. Price seems unreasonable, not enough details, super thin, logos are too gaudy, meaning it's covering the item, metallic, you know, just too much going on. The cost of shipping, the price and cost of shipping, and shipping being too expensive. Granted, I do 2-day shipping on Girls from Venus because that's all that Shopify really offers, low-key. Like, 2-day shipping and regular shipping is the same damn price. So I might as well just do 2-day shipping. Regular shipping is 10 cents less. I mean, I know I can penny pinch and save where I can, but it's just no point. And all I have also is priority mailers, except the small mailers you see, and they can't fit nothing but t-shirts. I try to do only $6 shipping because that's the same amount that I see Preload and all those other places doing when it's, like, standard shipping, but it is what it is. Dumb symbols or phrases. I'm big on, like, not putting a lot on a t-shirt or, like, on clothes. Like, even I was really hesitant putting the alien girl on a sweatsuit, but it is what it is. So I know next thing I make, it needs to be, like, simple yet effective with the, you know, details and the design, not thin, not cheap material. It has to be something people can wear more than once, you know, and make sure the price and the shipping add up. One tip that I saw from a video on YouTube actually is to add the shipping price in the price of the item, so, and then make the shipping free, so they think, oh, I'm not paying for shipping. That's smart, because if you tell me I ain't paying for shipping, I'll buy a lot of stuff. I'll buy every damn thing, honestly. In contrast to what makes you not buy an item, what makes you buy an item? Cost and originality. Do I love the price? Can I get something first? Can I get something similar for less? Is it a must-have? I love me a good detailed answer. The fit of the item, the quality of the material. If it's cute, I want it. Originality over cost. Can be styled beyond this brand. The full set from the brand. I don't think people really... Did y'all hear that? The one that fly over y'all heads for real. Like, perfect example for an item that I feel like I can style if anything is this top. I got it in this color because I knew I could style this color for a lot. And it's a white logo. Simple. Crop top. I love it. This is from Shop Dino. If you want it, I'm going to put the link in the bio because... support my man Curtis. So yeah, but this is something that I can wear all the time. So this is an effective item to wear. It can be styled beyond wearing it with a full set from the brand. Feel me? Because it did also come with shorts. But yeah, so now I know... make items original, make them cost effective, make the fit nice, make the quality nice. If it's cute, they gonna buy it. Like, you know, I'm just soaking in all this information like a sponge. Moving on to fall, because I need to prep for fall. I'm like, what's your favorite fall outfit? Fur jackets. I'm not making no damn fur jacket. I'm gonna make a fur fanny pack, but not a fur jacket. You feel me? Like, I work with them, they work with me. So a fire jacket using some all black BS underneath with some sneakers. So all black outfit and a nice jacket, which is a nice effective fit. Anything in a hoodie, me, that's the same thing I wear. Turtleneck, anything I can layer with sweats, effective. Jeans, sweater, hat, and sneaker. Now I know I gotta make things that are warm, that can be layered. Anything you can pair with anything else. Cool, cool. Next question. Do you attend pop-up shops? Why or why not? Yes, I attend pop-up shops to support people. No, unless my friend is in it, because I don't like shopping in person and I usually feel pressured to buy something that I don't really want because I don't want to be mean. LOL. That's me. I try to buy something every time I leave my house and go to a pop-up because it's like, I don't want to like just come and just stand there. I want to buy something, you know. Unless I can't find anything that I like, I want to buy something. Yes, I come when I'm not too busy. I actually have never been to a pop-up. I usually end up seeing a vendor at an event I'm at, and they'll give me a little information, and it's in my brain after. I'm like, yeah, that's a cool brand. I was at that show. And people say they browse over shop. I asked this because I want to have another pop-up shop. I had the first one at For Rent, and it did well. So I know that I can do it, but it's just the fact of, are y'all coming? Is y'all going to buy something? Is y'all just going to keep looking? Because we got to make this money. I rent out this space. I got to get this money back. You feel me? I made all these clothes. I need you to buy something for real. You feel me? Like, and I love support. Don't get me wrong. I love support. But I also like when people actually come to buy stuff. Because then you can see I feel like the pop-up buying experience is so, like, much better than just buying it online. Like, you can see it. You can try it on. You can feel it. Like, I feel like seeing is believing with shopping. Like, seeing is believing. That's why I always got to send my stuff back because I can't shop online. Seeing is believing, goddammit. Seeing is believing. So the next question is, what would make you attend a pop-up shop? I love the brand or not familiar, but social media convinced me to go. Music, food, other brands, probably nothing. Food, weed, or wine. I think I'd be more inclined to go to pop-ups if they were added activities involved. Boom. So now I'm like, what brings you in? What keeps you here? You get what I'm saying? So like, even if you come, you don't just leave right back out. You come and you do stuff and you walk around and you eat, you drink, you listen to music, whatever the case may be. So like, I get a live DJ. I have some hors d'oeuvres. I have interactive activities. We bring out the booze booth. You feel me? Like, it's a lot of things you can do for a pop-up, but I want to see what you're coming for. Like, if I see you and you see me and you see the flyer, like, what do I put on the flyer for you to be like, I'll be there. See with my pockets full for you, you know? Because the last time we had just the booze booth there and we had a really good DJ. We had female DJs because you know the vibes. But yeah, and so some people came and they stayed for a little bit just to see me, or like came, bought something left. But like, I go to pop-up shops, like during like usually the middle and stay to the end. That's just what I do. If I come in the beginning, I stay to the middle. But I like coming in the middle and staying to the end because it's like in the beginning of pop-up shops, usually they still setting up for like another like 30 minutes to an hour. So it's good to come right after they finish setting up and then stay until like, you know, later so you can just see everything. I like that. That's my style. So the last question is, overall, how is your GFV shopping experience? Anything you would like to change? I love the brand. I want more drops. My experience is always good, but if you include a man in the package, that would be great. Preferably dark skin, thank you. My friends are annoying. Like, my customers, my friends, everybody, y'all are annoying. Okay? I love GFV. The quality is outstanding and cute AF. And the CEO is bomb too. Thanks. I try to be bomb for y'all. I had a good experience with shopping with GFV. I would just like it to be a little more communication because I was wondering what was going on when I didn't see my package was shipped. Slim fit alien girl tee. So there is supposed to be an email from Shopify that comes out when I ship out the packages, but I gotta look into that now because I didn't know that. I thought like you get a confirmation and you get a shipping confirmation, then you know it come to your door. I didn't know that didn't happen. Wow, that's a lot. That's something for me to reflect on. So basically this is just me asking how I can enhance the experience so they can shop with me more. I want to do more drops, but that costs for more money. So I'm doing what I can. Okay. Me and this spit, like, I'm sick of it. The man thing, I can't really help you with that. I'm gonna try, but I feel like he might suffocate if I put him in a box, you know? He's not a Ken doll, you know? So, but yeah, I gotta fix that shipping thing. That really just rubbed me the wrong way because I did not know that happened. So now I'm like, oh my god, what? Y'all not getting y'all shipping notifications? Who's responsible? Me. I'm responsible. So I gotta fix it. I really recommend asking your customers questions, doing polls, being interactive with them via email, social media, DMs, text messages, whatever the case may be, because I feel like this enhances their customer experience. Like, this shows them that they're valued. And my customers are valued. I love my customers. Majority of them, I'm going to say 60% of my customers are returning customers. Like, they always buy every time I drop. It don't matter what it is, they buy something. And I love that, you know. So I want to keep them here. I want to make sure that I'm dropping things that they like. I want to make sure that I'm also progressing with my brand and they see the progression and they like the progression. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to keep it all kosher here. Keep it all on one track and then stay lit. You feel me? Because I feel like I'm doing a good job with my brand. I need to keep doing a good job with my brand. The customer experience is always important. Always, 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 always. So I'm going to always, always, always talk to them. That's just me. I think you should do it for your brand too. I think it'll really, really help you get a different view on your brand. And, you know, improvements, things you don't need to improve on, things you need to implement. Now I know I have to make sure that I send out a shipping email. I would have never knew that if I didn't ask someone. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you in some way. If you have a business, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, send it to your friends. I always say send this to your friends because, like, I send my friends videos all day long on entrepreneur stuff because we all a young business go-getter shorties. So, you know, I feel like anything I see that I feel like can help my friends, I always send to them. So send it to one of your friends that got the business. Maybe she do some customer reviews. Maybe she don't. It don't matter. It don't matter. Send it to her anyways. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been real.